Zohran Mamdani, a Muslim candidate, has won the Democratic mayoral primary election in New York with 56% of the votes.
This achievement marks a significant milestone in her political career and highlights the growing representation of diverse communities in American politics.
As a Muslim woman, Mamdani's victory is particularly notable, reflecting the increasing influence and participation of Muslim Americans in the political process.
Her success in securing the primary election demonstrates her strong connection with the local community and her ability to resonate with voters.
Mamdani's campaign likely focused on key issues affecting New Yorkers, such as economic development, public safety, education, and social welfare. Her commitment to addressing these concerns and improving the lives of her constituents will likely be a central aspect of her mayoral term. With this win,
Mamdani is poised to make history and contribute to the city's political landscape. Her leadership will likely have a positive impact on the community, promoting inclusivity, diversity, and progress.
Zohran Mamdani is a 31-year-old politician born in Kampala, Uganda, to a Ugandan Indian family. His father, Mahmood Mamdani, is a renowned academic, and his mother, Mira Nair, is an acclaimed Indian American filmmaker. Mamdani's background is a blend of Indian, Ugandan, and American cultures, which has significantly shaped his worldview and politics. Early life and education. Mamdani moved to the United States with his family at the age of 7 and grew up on the Upper West Side of Manhattan. He attended the Bank Street School for Children and the Bronx High School of Science. Later, he graduated from Bowdoin College in Maine with a degree in African Studies. During his college days, he co-founded the school's chapter of Students for Justice in Palestine to the Power of One. Career and struggles. Before entering politics, Mamdani worked as a housing counselor, helping low-income homeowners in Queens with eviction notices. This experience motivated him to run for office to address the housing and affordability crisis. Mamdani's political career began when he unseated a 4-term incumbent to claim a state assembly seat in 2020, running